welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I brought a whole new type of vibe to you guys. So I made this jacket from scratch to finish with no sewing machine, just the fabric, scissors and a tape, you guys. So if you want to see how I did this, keep watching. This is a vibe. Get me? Get me? Get me? So first guys, we're going to start by taking my back measurement with a tape. So you just do this by measuring from end to end, right? And this back measurement is 17. Yeah. So next we're going to be using this fabric. It's a stretchy crepe fabric, my scissors, a tape and a chalk. So you want to arrange this fabric properly by folding it into two and laying it very flat on the floor, as you can see. Okay guys, so now that I have my measurement written out on my phone, we're going to be doing a little mathematics. So my actual measurement was 35, so I'm going to be adding an extra 7 inches to that, which will give me the full length. The reason why I put that extra 7 inches is for the collar of this jacket. So now we're going to go ahead and take the full measurement. So guys, I'm just zooming that in so that you guys can see what I'm doing. So now that we've gotten to 42, I'm just going to put a mark there. I'm sorry this marker that I'm using doesn't really show. After that, I'm going to be cutting out the excess fabric. You want to try to make that line as straight as possible. Mine wasn't that straight, but yeah. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and set my fabric straight, and I'm going to be doing another mathematics, which is dividing my back measurement, which was 17, by 2, which will give us 8.5. And that's the point where I want to measure now and put a mark. So next we're going to do the collar measurement, which was 7, and put another mark, as you guys can see. And then I am going to do another measurement, which is 6 inches from the point where I put the first mark, and that's to create the armhole. You can do 9 because I did 6 initially and that didn't work. So after that, at the point where the armhole started, I'm going to create a little tear, and that's where I'm going to be cutting my armhole from, as you guys can see. Yeah. Cut, 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 cut. And yes, voila, your jacket is ready, guys. So guys, I'm going to be pairing this up to show you how you can style this, right? Ooh, okay. Okay. Meta. So first you can pair this with a gown. My sister is helping me take some pictures. I think this is really gorgeous. And next I'm pairing this with a short and a camisole. Trying to set the camera for you guys to see how this looks. I hope you guys are going to try this out because I think it's really easy and fun to try out. So next guys, I'm going to be pairing this with the waist bag that you see me holding on my hand. I would have used a belt, you guys, but I couldn't find my belt, so a waist bag was the best substitute for this. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're going to try this out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video.